top 7 RV mods that Jose has made to our 2023 Geo Pro 20 FPS. This modification right here is the Camco RV screen door crossbar. It protects the screen door and also allows easier access. This bar is nice because you can grab onto it. So if you have this bar, it's easier. You can grab it from here and bring it on in. So that was a good buy, and it's not that expensive. I'll put the price on the screen so you can see it. And also when the door is connected to it, you have something to grab onto because that door is heavy. I wouldn't slam it using this. I would still use this handle right here. Our third mod is the cutting board right here that I use as a shelf to place my Keurig on. This is the configuration when it's done. I can still use my panel, and this little table gives us enough room to have our Keurig standing right here so we can make coffee. Before, we had this in the bathroom because we did not have room to put it anywhere. Next is our countertop extension. Fold it in. When you're not using it, travel mode, you still have room to walk and up. So even in travel mode, you still got room to walk around when it slides in. But it'd be best to put it down, you have more room. We really like that mod. Let me show you. It's from an old TV tray. I took out the legs and I have 12-inch brackets here. Very nice. And it's not in the way of anything. Bring it down. You're not using it, you put it back up. And you can use it. You can be cooking right here and you have space right here, and you still have your kitchen sink you can use right here, catty corner to you. All right, we changed our kitchen faucet with a pull down sprayer, and came out pretty good. It was kind of hard to get in there and to screw this back, to screw it out, the old one out, and put it back in. But once you know what you're doing, it's not too bad. You got the sprayer. We like it. We definitely like it because before it was just goes back and forth. So we really love that mod. It came out really nice. All right, I added this 3-piece ceramic flatware holder with metal rack right here. This is where that black piece was where you can put your knives in. I had the nice slits in it. But I took that off, purchased this. Take the whole thing off. Purchased this, and the board I covered with the backsplash so it matches my wall, and it covers the whole thing up. I don't even have it screwed in. This is heavy enough, but this ain't moving anywhere. All right, in a 20 FPS, when the slide is in, when you go use the bathroom, you can't. It blocks you. Now this isn't my idea. I saw this in plenty of YouTube channels. You take this out, the cup holder. There's like 3 screws that you got to take out, and then this comes out, and then you place the sectional furniture hooks on it. Now I only have one, and to align it, I placed one of the screws in one of the existing screws. And now, with this off, I can open it up and go into the bathroom. Just by just taking that off. I don't have to take my slide out or anything like that. And when you're done, you can just slip it right back in there. That's it. All right, last but not least is our 100% blackout curtain. 52 by 72 inches, and they come in 2 panels. beige, black lining, darkening thermal insulated curtains, and our tension rod. Tension rod, all you gotta do is put it on there, tighten it up, and then I got a little clippy here so it won't open up when travel mode. And right there, nice privacy curtain, and it's also blackout. So if the lights are off over there, ooh, it's nice and dark over there. So, nice and bright over here, and in there, nice and dark. Because they got the blackout, and it's insulated. So I like that mod a lot. And when you're done using it, all I gotta do is close it up, put that on there, and it's out the way. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.